doing?
You having fun out here?
Toots.
Is that your new ride? Oh, look at you with your legs up. Are you popping a wheelie there?
Oh, can you push the button?
Press the button. Whoa! Gonna get me. Come get me. There you go. You got it. You're doing it. Into the garage. Open it up. Drive on in.
Jen said one of her neighbors is that way. That you walk by and it's open and the little Power Wheels is parked there.
Yeah? You're gonna go cruising tomorrow with Evie? Yeah? Your little gang? Little baby gang?
What you doing? Hey. Ariana.
Say, open up, garage.
Should we park your car in there?
Oh! Does that go in reverse? No, okay.
What?
She was touching it. Back it up.
Park it for the night. Push the button.
Once it's in the garage, it's in the garage. That's what Papa's saying.
Huh? Okay. Turn it off. Good night.
You had fun?
Should we wave bye-bye, Daddy? Night-night. Say we're home. Yeah.